Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to review November's results on our signals. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my terminal and I'm going to custom period my close trades from November the 1st till December the 1st. Okay, I'm putting December the 1st because I do want November the 30th or the 31st, no, November the 30th to be included in my result search. So as you can see right here, we did have a lot of trades last month and we ended up making $20,000. But I know that this is not relatable to some of you because you don't trade my size account and I'm sorry, my account size, and you also don't trade my sizes. This means that when I take a 3.5 lot trade on the GBP yen, some of you might take a half a lot. So making $20,000 doesn't mean that much to you if you're not trading my account size. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the amount of pips that we make because that is relatable to every single trader. So we're going to start by looking at the US dollar Japanese yen, and let me first of all get out my calculator right here, and we're going to start by the US dollar Japanese yen. So here's the US dollar Japanese yen, and as you can see, we had a one. Let me just remove this indicator. All right. So here's the US dollar Japanese yen trade. We bought right here, and we closed for half our position for 51 pips, and the rest of our position for 62 pips. So that's 51 pips plus 62. So we are up 113 pips for the month in one single trade. We are going to go to the US dollar Japanese yen again. Well, this is the second trade, I'm sorry. We're going to go to the GBP yen. And as you can see right here, I'm going to also delete my position size calculator indicator. And as you can see here, we had a short position from here to here, on which we made a 98 pips. So we're going to add 98 pips to our tally, 98 pips. All right. And we're going to go to the euro yen. All right, let's drag it here, the euro yen. As you can see, we lost 7 pips on the euro yen, so we are going to subtract 7 pips from the tally. And as you can see here at Snipe the Trade, we try to maintain our winners big and our losers small. Again, the US dollar Japanese yen, we made how much here? Oh yeah, we got stopped out on a rally here for 13 pips. So we're going to add 13 pips to our tally. That's right. Then we're going to go to the GBP USD, on which we made a healthy 43 pips. So we're going to add 43 pips. Then we're going to go to the GBP yen, where we made, this was a great trade, and we made 129 pips. That's right, we made 129 pips on the GBP yen. So we are up to 389 pips so far. Then we're going to go to the US dollar Swiss franc right here. I have to go to the 4-hour chart. And here we made a nice little profit of about 31 pips, all right? And we closed it before the weekend. I remember this trade. So that's a plus 31 pips, all right? We closed, well, we didn't get filled on this euro yen position. I'm sorry. Yes, we didn't get filled on this US dollar Japanese yen order either. And here we lost, we hit a full stop loss on this trade on the GBP yen. But let me just delete all of these lines because I don't know which one was the trade that I just drag and dropped. All right. So I'm going to drag and drop it again. And that's right. This is the one that we lost. So we lost here, was a buy position, so we lost 54 pips. Actually, if we go to the 1 hour chart, you can see that it was a sell position, and we hit our stop loss right here. So we actually lost 36 pips on this trade. So minus 36 pips. Cool. Okay. And we're going to continue. Okay. Right here, we broke even on the GBP USD. So that's minus 1 pip. We are going to subtract that pip from our tally because it is what it is. Okay. And we're going to continue with the US dollar Japanese yen again, on which we made a healthy run to the downside for about 56 pips. So we're going to add 56 pips to our tally. And as you can see, traders, I mean, we don't try to hit home runs here. At Sniper Trade, what we aim to do is just, well, hit singles because they add up. So next, we took a buy position on the well, on crude. This was during crude oil inventories that we actually closed our trade before it hit our stop loss for 40 or 33 ticks. So that's a minus 33 ticks. And we are still up 400 pips on the month so far, traders. And we have a lot to go through again. On the GBP yen, we made 51 pips. So that's plus 51 pips. And let's go to the GBP yen again. It was a second position on which we made 104 pips. So that's plus 104 pips. And we're going to continue here with gold, on which we made, let me see, oh yes, we got stopped out here for 200, I'm sorry, for 20, that's 215 ticks, 215 ticks or 21 or 22 pips. So we're going to add 22 pips on gold. Okay. We broke even on the US dollar Swiss franc, but we did make a pip, so we're going to add no 2 pips. We're going to add those 2 pips to the tally because they count. On the GBP yen, yes, that's the third part of our position right here, on which we made 34 pips. So that's plus 34 pips. Let's continue on the euro US dollar. We didn't get fill on this position. Then on the GBP yen again, we did trade the GBP yen a lot this month. And well, it's one of my favorite currency pairs, and as you can see, because it runs. That's a 91 pip on the US dollar Japanese yen, on the GBP yen, I'm sorry. 91 pips plus 91 pips. Then let's continue to the euro US dollar, on which we made 81 pips plus 81 pips. Let's continue with the GBP USD, on which we made, well, we lost here 45 pips. So let's subtract 45 pips. And we didn't get fill on this position. Right here, we lost on the euro GBP. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. We lost 37 pips. So we're going to subtract 37 pips. We're going to add this position on the GBP USD right here for 68 pips. So we're going to add 68 pips to the tally. Plus, this is a break-even position on which we made, well, we made 10 pips. So we're going to add 10 pips plus 10 pips. Now, this sell on the euro US dollar, let's see, was a nice position too, on which we made 73 pips. So as you can see, we are, I mean, they are these single trades, I mean, these singles, we don't aim to hit home runs. We don't um, hold our trades for too long because we are traders, we are not investors. We see a level, we get in at the right level with the right risk to reward ratio, and we exit at the right level. So right now we are up 860 pips for the month. On the US dollar Swiss franc, we did lose 90 pips. I'm sorry, 9 pips. Minus 9 pips, minus 9. Then we didn't get filled, and we ended up with two losing trades. Here, for example, we lost 20 pips, minus 20 pips, and yeah, on the euro yen, this is the last trade. I mean, we broke even for how much? No, we broke even on that trade. We didn't get any wins or losses. And the last one on the GBP yen, where we lost, let me see, 34 pips. So that's minus 34 pips, which means that we made 797 pips this month alone. So if you want to trade with me, and if you want to profit with my signals like all my subscribers do, my signals are completely free. Just go to www.snipethetrade.com and follow the instructions to subscribe for free. You're gonna get the link down below on the description of this video. So to all my premium subscribers, let's continue making pips like we do, and to all of you that are coming in aboard as premium subscribers, welcome.